My name is Winnie Tang, and I am with the Asian American Federation of Florida and OCA South Florida chapter. And we are here today at the Broward Transition Center. It's really standing up together against what is going on in our community, and what it is, we need to stand together to fight for the injustice. We need to stand together to speak up, because if we united, nobody can break us up. So we wish everybody to be here to fighting for everyone's right and fighting for all the injustice for all the immigrants, because right now some of them, unfortunately, they're not committing any crime, be detaining in different parts of the countries. So we want to get this message out. Whoever they are, they were not standing alone. We are out here to supporting them, make sure the voice be heard. That's why we all come together. Rain or shine, we are still here to fighting for you. We want to make sure your voice be heard outside the walls. And because we also have some Asian without committing any crime, but us with the status, be authorized to work, but still be detaining, pick up from the ICE. So we just want this one not going to happen to anybody. This will break the family, to hurt them, because some of them, they losing job, they were losing their house, they don't know where to live and where to go to school for the children. So let's stand together to fighting for injustice for all the immigrants, especially those ones right now be detaining inside the wall. Thank you.